Good afternoon, this is part 3 of lab 1 and 3. Ito na yung last part. So, ang first code ko is about average is equal to float. Ginawa float para makuha yung decimal places to decimal places ng average tsaka income. Then ang ginamit ko dito is if, elif. Ang unang condition is if average is greater than or equal to 90 and income is less than 200,000. Kung yung average daw is 90 pataas, then yung income niya is 200,000. Ang lalabas dapat sa print is full scholarship. Then sa elif, average is greater than and equal to 85 pataas, and income is less than 500,000. Print partial scholarship. Then yung else ko, print not eligible. So, and ginamit dito kasi nga, if both condition is true, doon lalabas yung partial scholarship ko. So, kung hindi siya mag-fall doon, mag-print yung else. So, kung mag-input ako ng average grade na 90, then yung income is 190,000. Ang lalabas is full scholarship. Then part 2, KWH kilowatt hours is equals to float. So ginamit kasi ang value dito is merong decimal places. So if float input, ang ginamit dito is if else. If KWH is less than and equal to 100, KWH plus and equal to 5. So dinerecho ko na hindi na ako naglagay ng value para isang variable na lang yung tatawagin ko. So ang mangyayari is kung yung less than 100 yung in-input nyo, like 99, mag-add siya ng 5 sa nilagay mo. Then else, kung hindi siya, kung greater than 100, dun mag-add ng 8. Then ipiprint yung add 50 for service charge. So 50 kunwari is in-input mo is 89, 50 kasi mag-add ng service charge, then plus 5 dahil less than siya sa 100. So ayan, yung ginamit ko number dito is 89 nga. Then mag-add ng 50 for service charge. Ang total niya is 144.00. Then for number 3, mag-i-input ng name, random password. So ang kailangan dito is ang point na dito is nag-register ka na, then yung meron ka ng name and password. Ang name mo is admin, then yung password mo is 12345. Kailangan pag in-input ko yun sa name and password, ang lalabas is login successful. So, ang ginawa ko dito, first code is name is equal to input. You don't need to put like float, integer kasi nga string siya. Input mo lang, magiging diretso siya, default siya as string. So, ganun na din sa password. And ginamit ko dito is if else kasi kapag nag-login, kapag naging successful yung pag-login, papasok siya. Kapag hindi, invalid credentials. If name is equals to admin and password is equals to 125. So, end ang ginamit kasi pag or ang gagamitin mo dyan, magla-login siya magiging successful ang pag-login kahit mali yung password. Kasi diba sa or, if true yung name, then yung password is false, magiging true pa rin siya. So, ang mangyayari is login successful siya kahit mali yung password na nilagay mo. So, yan. Print login successful pag both condition are true. Else, print invalid credentials. Then, dito ang ginamit ko lang is username. Yun nga, admin. Password, 12345. So, kung ginawa mo 6 yan, syempre, invalid credentials.